This Math in Minute video is given 4 vertices of a rectangle, determine area and perimeter. So the first thing we want to do is kind of define some of the terms. What is a rectangle and what is needed for determining the area and perimeter. So a rectangle has 4 sides where the opposite sides are equal and parallel. And that's important because you're going to find that 2 of the vertices are going to have the same x coordinate and 2 of them are going to have the same y coordinate, which will be important in determining the length and the width. And the term area, we're going to need both the length and the width. And the perimeter, likewise, we need the length and the width. So let's look at our vertices, the points. M is -3, 2. N is -3, -4. P is 2, -4. And Q is 2, 2. So given the 4 vertices, like we said, the x coordinates in 2 of them will match exactly. So here you can see the underline in M and N, our x coordinates are both -3, or we could use P and Q because our x coordinates are 2. So let's go ahead and calculate the distance by using the y coordinates of those particular vertices or point to determine the length. So what we're going to do is we need to find the distance between the y coordinates, which is we're going to subtract the 2. So here we have 2 minus -4, which gets us 6. So that's the length. That's the up and down of it, the length of the rectangle, because you do plus plus. We could also use the other 2 where we have the x coordinates are both the same at 2. We're going to subtract the y coordinates. So we have -4 minus 2, which gives us -6. And we're going to take the absolute value of that because we just want to know the length of the units. So our length is equal to 6. Now for the y coordinate, same thing. We're going to have 2 of them that match. We can see M and Q both have a y coordinate of 2, or we could use N and P where both y coordinates are -4. Those are the ones that are underlined. Again, we're going to find the width, kind of what goes across. So we're going to take our -3 and we're going to subtract 2 and we get -5. And again, we want the absolute value of that, which is going to be 5. Likewise, we could use N and P, and we're going to take the x value of N minus the P value, the x value of P, and again, we get -5, and we want the absolute value of that. So our width is equal to 5, okay? So now we have the 2, we have the length and the width, and we can determine what the area and perimeter are equal to. Area is equal to our length, which we said was 6. We're going to multiply that by our width, which is 5. So our area equals 30 when you multiply those together. All right. So our perimeter, we have P equals 2. And in parentheses, we have our length, which is 6, plus our width, which is 5. So we do what's in parentheses first. That would be 11 times our 2 is our perimeter. So our perimeter equals 22. So that's how we would determine, given 4 vertices that are a rectangular shape, how we would determine the length and width, and then we can calculate the area and the perimeter. Any math topics you would like me to cover, please leave in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and we'll see you next time.